What's going on, guys? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor. Welcome back to the channel. For all my subscribers and for my new subscribers or my new people that's just finding this channel, welcome. I give advice on lifestyle, how to make money online, and I do reviews. And I want to show you how to make free money today. That's right. If you're on this video, you're probably thinking about investing or you want to learn how to get some free money offline. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's very possible. No matter where you live, all you have to do is just watch this video through, follow the steps that I'm telling you, and jump on the offer. You have to jump on these offers. I've been putting out videos and I've been getting a lot of good feedback, but the offers that I talk about, they're rare and some of them have never been seen before. So when a lot of people start saturating those offers and it gets too late, if you wait too long, you won't be able to get it. But luckily, this one is a long-term offer, so you do have time, but I still suggest that you hop on it starting today so you can start making money today. And like I said, look at the screen. It says free money today. I'm guarantee you, if you do what I tell you in this video, you will get some money deposited into a certain account. And we're going to talk about that right now. All right, so let's get to it. Here we go. We are talking about an app called Acorns. Now, Acorns is so special because it allows you not only to start investing, but it's a great savings account. Most savings accounts that people have, they put money in and they may get like a 2% return, maybe a 2% return throughout the whole year. So if you invested, if you say put $100 in a savings account, that means you only got $2 for that whole year, and that's nothing. But with it's possible to start investing up to $10 a week. You can invest even more. You can make even more. Like right now I have mindset where I'm getting about $10 to $15 every week just investing into my Acorns account. By the way, I have it set up. And if you want to know how to set up an Acorns account the way I'm talking about, just let me know in the comments and I'll show you. I'll make a video on that. But you're here because you want to know how to get that free money. You like, Trey, let's get to that free money. I want to get that free money today. Well, wait no more, friend. I'm about to tell you how to do it. All you have to do is go to Acorns, whether you're on a website, whether you're on the computer or you're on your phone. I suggest you do it on your phone just for easiness, and download the Acorns app using the link in my description. You have to use the link in my description in order to get the free money. If you do it without using the link in my description, then you won't get the free money. But if you do use the link in my description, you will get money deposited into your Acorns account. Now, I know you're probably asking another question. Well, if it's in my Acorns account, can I get it? Is it mine? It's completely yours, 100%. Honestly, if you don't even want the app, if it's going to waste up too much space in your phone, if you just download the app using the link in my description, you can get your money, withdraw it, and run. Go on by your day. But I would advise you to at least keep the Acorns app, because here's why. For those that don't know about Acorns, all it does is uses your spare change. As you can see, it says invest your spare change, right? So for example, if you spend $1.50 on an item, right, it will round it up to $2, but it will put that extra 50 cents into your account, and that 50 cents is yours to either withdraw or let Acorns do the investing for you. Now, it lets you still have control because you get to pick about the brands that you shop at, because I'm a big Apple fan. I like iPhone, I like iOS products, I like Apple. So most of my stocks and things like that are going towards Apple or Amazon. I have a couple things as far as like gas stuff, but you get to build that profile and they'll invest stuff for you, right? And they'll do all the work for you. Like, you will literally set your app, forget it for a month, and come back and you will have about $50 or $60 more than what you had at first. And it sounds crazy, but it's so true. Acorns is amazing. It's better than any kind of savings account, because most savings account, especially like a regular brick and mortar bank, you're probably going to get about 2% return on that savings account, right? So that means if you put $100 into a savings account, at the end of the year you'll only have $102 in that savings account if you have a 2% return. Well, with Acorns, you're investing daily or weekly. You can have it set up to where you can have $10 going out of your account, $5 going in your account, $15 a week. It doesn't matter, but you're not going to miss it. And at the end of the month, you're going to be amazed about how much money you have, how much money has rounded up. And here's another thing about Acorns. It partners with gas stations. You get gas almost every other day, right? So every time you shop at a gas, I know Chevron for a fact. Chevron right now is giving 25 cents for like every, I think, $10. And it don't sound like a lot, but every time you get $10, you get 25 cents back. So that's 25 cents in your account. On top of everything else, if you use Amazon, you get money. If you use Apple products, iTunes, you get money. If you shop on line at like Route 20, not Route 21, Forever 21 is the name of, yeah, any kind of big brand stores, Acorns is invested with them. You let them know that you shop there and they will give you money. I have recommended this app to so many people, and the people that have jumped on it, they really appreciate it. And they say, man, I can't believe, like, I set my app and I just forgot about it. And I look back at it and I had over $100 and some in my account. I don't even know where it came from. And they can withdraw it. You can withdraw your money, and within like 2-3 business days, it'll be in your account and it's yours to do whatever you want. But like I said, if you want that free money, you have to use the link in the description. If you don't use the link in the description, you will not get that free money. That's just how it works. If you just go in there and create an Acorns account, you're just going to have an Acorns account. But if you use that link in the description, it's going to give you a jump start and give you some free money where you can use to start investing, or you can just take it and run. The choice is yours. It's up to you. It really doesn't matter. But it's good to know, right? So if you like this video, if you like free money, if you want to just show me some support, please like this video, hit the subscribe button, right? Comment below. Let me know if you got the Acorns app, all right? Or if you are working for you. And until next time, remember, you are royalty.